Ever wonder what's really happening inside your washing machine when you hit start? It might look like a simple spin and splash, but under the hood, it's a perfectly timed symphony of mechanical and electrical magic. A washing machine has one job, to clean your clothes. But to do that, it goes through multiple cycles: wash, rinse, and spin. Whether it's a top loader or a front loader, the core process is the same. It fills with water, agitates to remove dirt, drains the dirty water, rinses with clean water, and finally spins to remove excess moisture. Let's break it down. Inside the machine, there are 5 key parts doing all the work. 1. The drum, where clothes are loaded and spun. 2. The agitator or paddles. These shake and rotate the clothes, scrubbing them clean. 3. The motor powers the drum's movement. 4. The water pump controls water flow in and out. 5. The control system, the brain that times and triggers each phase. Once you start a wash, the machine fills with water through valves connected to hot and cold lines. Detergent is flushed into the drum. The motor turns the drum back and forth, agitating the clothes. This motion, combined with water and soap, loosens dirt and stains. After the wash, the pump drains the dirty water. Clean water flows in for the rinse. This cycle might repeat a few times to ensure no soap is left behind. Finally, the spin cycle kicks in. The drum rotates rapidly, using centrifugal force to pull water from clothes and into the drain. Today's machines are smarter than ever. Sensors detect load size, dirt levels, and water temperature. Some even connect to Wi-Fi for remote control. But at the core, it's the same old principle. Water, motion, and a bit of soap go a long way. So next time you hear that familiar whirl and swoosh, you'll know your washing machine is doing a whole lot more than just spinning clothes. It's engineering at its cleanest. Congratulations! You just made it to the end of the video. For more of our videos on tech, please do well to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.